Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shaz. I really thank you for your patience with me. Yeah, we went on a commercial break and it was amazing. Now I'm back with something good, something amazing, something just lovely. And here I would like you to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. And God is going to bless you. It's really amazing. The kind of thing that I've come back with is just amazing. And I promise you that it's going to be smoky. It's going to be fiery. So today I want us to talk about something. And we're going to talk about social media and spirituality. I just want us to converse and see what is this thing about social media and the spirituality. What is it about the social media and your spiritual life? To begin with, social media is a very, very nice platform. It's really a very nice platform to get information. It's a good platform to learn from. It's a very nice platform to do every kind of thing. You can share information. You can get information. That is, for example, WhatsApp, the Twitter, the IG, and all that. You can share and get information. It's very nice. But to some point, social media right now, it's really taking the lives of many. In that someone wakes up in the morning, the very first thing that they do in the morning is go switch on the data bundles, and they're on WhatsApp, they're on Instagram, they're on Twitter, they're on Facebook. They don't want to maybe commune with their God. You know what I mean? I mean, the first thing in the morning should be waking up, maybe washing your face, and then you're communicating to your God. You're telling God, thank you for the good night, and thank you for helping me to see this good and amazing day. But now the social media now in this state, it has taken away the minds of many. People are just thinking about WhatsApp. So every kind of morning, everyone wakes up in the morning. Okay, sorry, it's not everyone, but most of the people, they do wake up in the morning, and the first thing in the morning is checking on the WhatsApp messages. Others, they do wake up at 3 a.m. and the only thing that they can do in 3 a.m. is just checking on the status. So what do I mean? I mean that let's not give the social media more than it deserves. Yes, it's a good platform, but again, remember that your spirituality is more. Life is spiritual. So take it as an opportunity to change how you do things. Like in the morning, the first priority is God. Pray and begin your day, and then now you can get into the social media. That one is okay. But this thing of getting up in the morning, that is every time you're on WhatsApp, you sleep and wake up in the night. You're supposed maybe to pray, you're supposed maybe to prepare for something, you're supposed maybe to read some stuff, but you're there, WhatsApp 3 a.m. My friend, what are you doing on WhatsApp 3 a.m.? Probably you don't have that serious thing. Maybe probably you don't have any kind of information that you're sharing, but you're just there viewing the status of people 3 a.m. You should be reading, you should be probably praying, you should be reading the word of God, you should be meditating on your life. So my urge today is that don't give social media the first priority. Give God the first priority. When you wake up in the morning, don't switch on your data first. No. Switch on your connection with God first, and know what your plan with God is throughout the day. Know what God has planned for you for that day, that you may do it and work on it accordingly. Yeah, thank you very much. I think my main aim is that I'm telling you to just consider how you work on your day. How is your schedule? Like, how do you do things? Do you put God first? Social media is the thing. No, it's a good thing, but again, let it not take over your spirituality. To some people, yes, it's affecting them, but they don't know. You just find yourself 3 a.m. in the morning, you're just on WhatsApp, you're on Twitter, you're on IG, you're on Facebook. No, it shouldn't be that way. So change it, and it's going to be very, very good. Just the beginning. I would like you to just keep on commenting, subscribing, and liking. Big things are coming, greater things are coming. Bye. See you in the next video this week. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.